Afternoon, welcome to my channel again. I'll be showing you how to cut a female trouser. Last time I showed how to cut a male rope trouser. This time around I'm going to show you how to cut a female trouser. I want you to also comment on the comment section on what you want us to show you how to cut. So right now, the measurement you'll be needing is your trouser length. You would need your trouser band. Your trouser length should be taken from where the person wears his trousers till the desired length. Your trouser band, that is your waistline, should be where the person wears the trouser. We have the knee length, we have the knee round, we have the hips, we have the laps, and then we have the ankle round. Okay, the crunch 12, and then of course we have the crunch also. So yeah, that's how we're going to be starting. Now I have already done my trouser length, which is 41. This is 41 inches. This is 41 inches. Take your tape, you get your 41 inches. I am adding 2 inches allowance. For ladies, you can add 1.5 inches, but just to be on the safe side, I'm adding 2 inches. Now I've told you how to get your crunch line. You add 2 inches to your hips, and then you divide by 4 inches. That's how you get your crunch line. I'm using 11 inches, but I think I just need to change it to 11.5 because of the hips. Because of the hips, I'm going to be using 11.5. I'm changing this to 11.5. Please, you must ensure that your rule, you have a straight rule to give you a straight line. This is our knee length. I've told you to take out 1 inches from your measured. Here we have 23. I'm taking out 1 inches, which is giving me 22. Remember that you're going to add you're going to be adding your band. That is going to complement for all of these deductions that we're doing. After you have done that, you take out your border lines. From your line, your vertical lining. This is my border line, this is my border line, this is my border line, this is my next border line. The next thing I'm going to do is to take out my hips, my lap measurement. The lap here is 28 inches, which is 14, and then I'm going to be adding 1 inches to make it 15 inches. I'm going to do same on all other lines. I'm going to do so on all other lines. I'm doing so on all other lines. I'm doing so on. Okay, and so this is my 15 inches to here. I took my 15 inches on all lines here. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to take the midpoint of all my vertical linings. So, which is 7.5. Half of 15 inches is 7.5. Half of 15 inches is 7.5. This is 7.5. I'm going to come here too and take my half inches, 7.5. The midpoint. I'm coming back here and I'm taking my 7.5 inches to 7.5 inches. Yes. So after doing that, I'm going to be imputing my horizontal measurement on each line now. So I'll start from the ankle round. The ankle round here is 14.5. 14.5 will give me about 7. Yeah, it's going to give me 7.2. So I'm just going to add them to 1 inches allowance to be 15. So I'll add 1.5 inches to make it 16 inches. So my half line is, I'm going to be getting 8. The ankle round is 14.5. I'm adding 1.5 as sewing or seaming allowance, which makes it 16. And I'm going to be dividing into 2. Remember, it's 2 parts, so I'm going to be dividing into 2, which will give me 8 inches. So I'm going to place half of the 8 on this midpoint I got. I'm going to chalk here and then chalk here. Look at it, this is my 8 from here to here. This is my 8. The 4, the midpoint of the 8 inches is 4, is resting on that, the midpoint I initially ticked out. Then the ankle round is 18 inches. I'm going to add 1.5 again, and then it's going to give me 20 inch, 19.5 inches. 19.5 inches. But let's just use 10 inches. We're doing 10 inches. So place same here. You place your on the midpoint of your 10 and get your 10 out. So 5 is the midpoint of 10. The 5 inches is resting on the midline I took out formally. And of course, you know that this is already your lap measurement. So we will just join the lines we took out. We join the line we took out. This is it. This is it. So we connect to our lap measurement. We'll be connecting to our lap measurement. This is it. Yes, you can see how the lines are coming very sharp. So then you would now take out our waistline. This is just our waistline. Our waist measurement is 36. This time around we'll not be dividing by we're not going to be dividing by 18 by 2 inches. We're going to be dividing by 4. I'm going to be showing a video on why we're dividing by 4, or I'm going to be showing you how to make your measurement, how to know what to use when you are dividing. So you just stay with me on this channel. So 36 by 2 is going to give us 18. By another 2 is going to give us 9 inches. So I'm going to be adding my 2 inches allowance to the 36, which makes it 38 inches. I am getting 9.5. You divide by 4 to get our midpoint. This is it. So I'm going to use my French curve to add up these lines. I'm going to be using this curve. Comes. I'm going to now take off this. The midpoint of your crunch line should be what you use in checking for your hips line. So this is good. Then quickly cut it out to see what we will be getting.